Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a handy LinkedIn feature that's perfect for 2025, learning how to view your profile as someone else right from the app. This is a game changer if you're job hunting, networking, or just want to make sure your profile looks professional from an outsider's perspective. Why does this matter? Well, LinkedIn is all about first impressions, and seeing your page as others do can help you spot any awkward photos, outdated info, or missed opportunities to shine. First things first, make sure you're on the latest version of the LinkedIn app. It's 2025, so updates are key. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That's the one with your picture, easy peasy. Now, look for the View Profile as option. It's usually under the three dots or a settings menu near your profile header. Tap on that, and LinkedIn will generate a preview of how your profile appears to other users. You'll see exactly what a recruiter or connection might see, including your headline, summary, and experience sections. While you're there, take a moment to edit anything that doesn't look right. For example, if your profile photo isn't showing up well on mobile, swap it out. Pro tip: use this feature regularly, especially before applying for jobs, to ensure everything's polished and error-free. One common issue? If you have privacy settings blocking certain elements, they might not show in the preview. Double-check your privacy tab to fix that. Alright, that's it for the steps. By now, you should be viewing your profile like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video. Stay connected.